एक से हाँ यहाँ पे सर जी से सर सामने एकदम सामने मैम यस मैम सर सामने सिंगल एकदम सामने
I don't know anything about the film. I don't even know who directed it. Who? Barry Jenkins. Hi. Hi. इट्स अ फिल्म एक्चुअली आप लोगों ने अगर ट्रेलर देखी है तो ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट है, बहुत कंपेलिंग सब्जेक्ट है और मैं बहुत दिनों से मेरी ये चाह थी कि ये फिल्म रिलीज़ हो, लेकिन शायद रिलीज़ नहीं होगी, पता नहीं। लेकिन ये स्क्रीनिंग हम लोगों ने रखा है विदाउट एनी कार्ड्स, विदाउट एनीथिंग फॉर द मेंबर्स ऑफ द मामी फिल्म क्लब, सो वी आर होपिंग आवर मेंबर्स रियली एंजॉय इट। नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो इट देयर इज अ रिलीज प्लान, पर ये प्रीमियर स्क्रीनिंग है मुंबई में। रिलीज प्लान क्या है मुझे पता नहीं। एक्चुअली आई हैव बीन वेरी बिजी एज यू नो, दंगल के सेलिब्रेशंस वगैरह चल रहे थे, तो आई रियली हैवंट पेड मच अटेंशन टू दिस स्क्रीनिंग। हमारी अभी मामी की टीम बहुत ज़बरदस्त हो गई है और वो लोग सब प्लानिंग खुद कर लेते हैं और मैं एक्चुअली इनवाइटी हूँ, आज ऐसे ही आई हूँ टू ग्रेस द ओकेजन। तो आई डोंट रियली नो हु एल्स इज कमिंग एंड हाउ मेनी पीपल आर कमिंग, बट हमारी ये इनिशिएटिव है, ये हमारा काम है कि हम अच्छा सिनेमा सब तक पहुँचाएँ और हर हफ्ते हर महीने हम लोग यही कोशिश करते हैं कि ऐसी फिल्में लाएँ जो शायद यहाँ रिलीज़ ना हो या फिर हम पहली स्क्रीनिंग हमारे मेंबर्स के लिए रखें। तो हम मुंबईकर्स को ख़ास तौर से ये इनविटेशन देना चाहते हैं कि प्लीज़ बिकम अ मेंबर ऑफ द मामी फिल्म क्लब, यू गेट टू वॉच ग्रेट फिल्म्स विद अस। थैंक यू। ओह ये नहीं, एक्चुअली फाइनली मैं बहुत पहनती हूँ ये बैग रिसेंटली, क्योंकि जब से मैंने ख़रीदा है मुझे फाइनली एक बैग मिल गया है जिसमें मेरी सारी चीज़ें ठीक से फिट होती हैं। तो मैं बहुत लेज़ी हूँ, ज़्यादा चेंज करती नहीं हूँ लाइफ में, तो इसी को काम पे भी ले जाती हूँ, उसी को मैंने टंगा के आज भी ले आया है, कुछ यू नो कन्वीनियंस के लिए। आज़ाद भी, हाँ, हम एक्चुअली थोड़ा ये स्कूल बैग स्टाइल मैं आज़ाद को कॉपी करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। ही इज़ क्वाइट अ स्टाइलिश किड। हाँ, आपने देखा होगा बड़ी सी दाढ़ी रखी है आमिर ने, तो पता नहीं, एक्साइटिंग है। मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा पता नहीं है। आमिर, आदि एंड विक्टर काफ़ी मिलते रहते हैं, तो आई विश आई वॉज ऑल्सो इन ऑन दोज मीटिंग्स, बट आई एम नॉट मच ऑफ द टाइम। देखते हैं क्या होता है। बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग अब तक जो देखने को मिल रहा है आमिर के लुक में, इंटरेस्टिंग है, पता नहीं क्या होगा फाइनली। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
February is going through censorship, and 24th February is when we'll walk you with this. We're not expecting a lot of this. Have you seen it?
No. Yeah. Really interesting.
Okay.
absolutely stunning today, and you're carrying yourself very nicely. So you have styled your own, or you have carried a wardrobe?
I have styled my own. Today is my movie night out, so I've tried to keep it casual, and this is something I've had for some time from my friends in Nor Black Nor White. They are designers based out of Toronto and India, and so I thought, why not? Yeah, it keeps me warm as well as it's a little bohemian, so I'm happy.
It's very easy to wear and delight.
And easy to the eyes also, so it's nice.
All right, thank you so much. And overall, how was your experience working with Dev Patel?
It was fantastic. He's a fantastic human being and a good co-actor, so that was amazing.
All right, thank you so much. Yeah.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा expectations हैं जब से मैंने ट्रेलर देखा I'm pretty excited to watch this film and I'm very thankful to Mami and Kaut that they were in this screening so I think it's a great opportunity for us to just watch it before it releasing. Yes, I'm trying to do a different hairstyle for a film. Yes. No, Newton is done. Where we have a world premiere in Berlin, so I'm leaving for Berlin tomorrow night. No, that's done. That Bangalore film was also done. That we could not finish actually that film, unfortunately. Got stuck with some producer. They had some internal issues. But you'll see a lot of me this year. There's Vikram Motwani Strap. There's Omerta with Ansal Sir. There's Bareilly Ki Barfi, Behan Hogi Teri, and Newton, of course. Yeah. All right. Thank you, guys.
Ayan here. Ayan here. Ayan here. Ayan here. Ayan here.
I think it's a great initiative.
Abhinav idara. So first of all, it's very congratulations for Newton as it got released in world premiere in Newton. So, and you were carrying very good casual, and it's very cool. You're looking very stunning today. So how do you style yourself, or you carry someone else to style?
No, it depends. Actually, today whatever I was wearing, I thought it's just a screening, so I don't have to be really in anything special. It's a film. I'm here to enjoy the film, to experience a great film. So it's just a casual styling. Yes.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Sorry. And you have always come with a very fantastic movies, and audience have actually
दो ही तो फिल्में बनी हैं where
no though it's
only two.
They're always
So,
ruling
2
at
on
the
2
box office. Yeah.
I'm 2 on 2
So you're coming with the dragon.
I want to be 10 on 10 not 2 on 2
So you're coming with the dragon. So how excited you are with the film?
this is a very tough. I'm excited. Every filmmaker is excited when they make their film, but it's my whole life. So excitement, inspiration, even when you feel low, even when you feel ki shit, things are not going well, it's my whole film. So whole life, I mean, abhi whatever is happening in life is only about the film, is only about this film. So I'm damn thrilled. Yeah, it's my full life is riding on this film.
Nowadays you can see biopics are in trend. Suppose you get a chance to direct a movie, anyone biopics.
I can't think of anything besides my next film. My full heart, soul, जैसे प्यार हो जाता है ना, it can happen with one person at one time. It's like that. It's very strong.
Great, and
ये फिल्म के बाद देखेंगे.
You can see your style very nicely. And
I'm not. You think I'm looking handsome, hunk?
I'm a girl. Ask me.
Fine. So thank you. No, nothing special. अंदर से ऐसे special. फिल्म की excitement फूट के बाहर आ रही है.
Okay. So do you style by yourself, or you hire someone else to design?
Who, me? No. Just look like myself.
Thank you so much. One China line. It's polytalk.com.
What do you want me to say?
Hi, this is Ayan Mukherjee. You're watching me on
Polytalks. Talks. Hi, this is Ayan Mukherjee, and you are watching me on polytalks.com.
Thank So hi guys, we have a dance master, none other Terence.
Hi. Hi. Very excited. Apparently it's one of the great movies in the Oscars, and I'm really excited to kind of see what the movie is all about. I heard a lot of things from friends and also from my friend here. So it's going to be exciting to watch such a cool film which has been nominated, which has been critically acclaimed. So looking forward to that.
Well, we can see you're looking dashing and a very handsome hunk. So do you style yourself or do you hire some designer?
I mean, to go out, I just wear whatever. This is my workout, like going out clothes, regular stuff, no designer, just picked up from the rack types. I'm not, only when I'm shooting I wear, clothes, because the television channel will probably, insist on getting a designer, and they do everything for me. But otherwise, on a regular basis, on my own, for my own self, I just pick up whatever, I like, and typical like a dancer, choreographer, the artist, we pick up things that kind of suit us. Yeah.
And last channel ID, we are from polytalks.com.
Body?
Polytalks.
Polytalks. Okay. Hi, this is Terence Lewis here, and to all the viewers who are watching Polytalks, Mera Salam.
Thank you so much. Yeah.